What's happening, guys? Sunday in the garage. What in the hell is happening? But hey ho, eh? Santa's coming, isn't he? So we need to get cracking on. So we've got the big Bimmer 645 Ci. That's not what we're working on today. I just fired her up just to see how she was going. Well good. We know about the valve stem seals. It seems alright to know, but obviously the car's been here for a long time. I mean, you've seen that video. She's been getting in and out, so she's really not been getting a run up the road. It is obviously needing valve stem seals, but at the moment it's alright. And it's not broken down on us again. So the alternator and all that kind of stuff seems to be working for the time being. You can normally tell it's not hunting up and down the revs. Oh, squeaky's finished there, thank God. So you can normally tell. So aye, it seems to be going okay. We'll let it come up to temp a wee bit. We're going to just lift it up in there and we've finally got the lymphoder bushes for the rear suspension arms. They're rather expensive, so rather expensive, the suspension arms for it. So I'm not sure what that means. I shall have to see what that means. Yeah, we just put 2 gallon 99 run in it. That's definitely doesn't like that. Is it maybe because the door's open? You can hear it hunting up and down as well, so it's obviously not right. Shouldn't be doing that. It's like we can hear something sucking on the front actually. Oh. Oh. That's interesting. I'll find out what that is. That could be the pump. Obviously, we just did the rack. So we'll get it on the ramp. It's a big heavy gimbal. Hey, and it is missing one of its blocks actually. So we'll put it up in the air and have a little look at these bushes and see. I believe we can't get the vehicle in until April to get the vehicle and the battery wiring, so I believe the battery wiring, we had the alternator checked, it seemed to be working okay, and normally when alternators go bad, they don't go bad intermittently, they normally just go bad, to be honest with you. So not sure what's happening here, but we know it got this battery wiring recall for this 645 Ci, so we may as well get it done before we do any more work on it. To be honest with you, and then maybe the customer will then decide what he's going to do with the rest of the vehicle. I think he's got 2 other seats for it, just to tidy that up. Bodies need a wee bit of PDR, there's a wee like shopping trolley thing, there's a few of them on it. A few wee bits of wear and tear still, obviously the customer's, he's doing no bad, he's chipping away at it. It is an old car, it's a 2004 car, we need to remember, and we can hear that hunting up and down, that's not right. It's very un-BMW like. So, the noise might be the power steering pump actually. Let's have a wee now. No, it's back. So, so we'll get it lifted and we'll see about these bushes. So she's went up onto a 700 RPM. Maybe the alternator just came to life, it just seems to have straightened itself all out there. Quite sure. We'll get these big blocks off for that CRV that we had to do, and obviously we've had the CRV and it's got some issues, so I'm not sure I need to speak to the customer on that one actually. So I've been rather busy, and the young'un's hurt his finger. Oh, you might have seen it, man. They say the spider done it, I'm not sure, we don't really get many big poisonous spiders into Scotland. I says, when did the spider bite it? But he showed me this morning, and sure as hell it was all. He was playing away with his brother, not a problem. The two of them were wrestling, jumping in the bed, as they do. And then maybe he's bashed it, and then realised, oh, sweet, I've got a sore finger. So, a sore finger, sorry. Finger is Scottish for finger. So he's, we put him in the bath, and you could just see in the bath the big white head appearing on the thumb. So I did give it a little squeeze, and bless him, he was not happy about it. But all the rubbish, all the pus seems to have come out and is still coming out. So thankfully, hopefully that'll take care of that sore finger for the young'un. So fun and games, man. When you're You know, 2 kids, German Shepherd dog, and your own business, and all that kind of jazz. So it's fun and games. So that's why we're here on a Sunday. So we're going to crack on. We'll get this lifted and see what's happening underneath. So steering rack, that looks all good. Looks all good. All tickety boo. Obviously we cleaned all that engine. I think possibly upper and lower sump cases, so it's a pain. The upper one is a bit of a mission. So obviously you get the metal one lower, and then that alloy one there up the top, and it is wet in that corner there as well. And we obviously cleaned every bit of this, so yeah, they'll need to all come back off again at some point. It's not too bad, but it's not too bad, but it has got a little leak there, so it is a BMW of course. So, and there's those bushes up there, these ones, so hopefully the ones that have come are the right ones. Same up there. So the guy's been doing too much drift mode in it, and the bushes have, oh aye, that one's rather sad, isn't it? That one's rather sad up there. Oh aye, it's much sadness, much sadness. That's what can you do? What can you do? That's needing some new bush. Yep, some new bushes. These two here, those are needing done. We've did all the Bilsteins on it, so I've did Bilsteins all round, Bilstein shocks and springs. All round we did them. Yeah, we did them all round. They still all look good. Actually need to put a wee bit of paint on them, getting some chips on them. Scotland's just brutal. Scotland's brutal for corroding cars. So thanks for watching guys. Hopefully we'll have another video on that 645 CI coming soon. So again, if you haven't already, if you are watching this video, hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Have a great day wherever you are in the world as well. Stay safe.